Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out a really fun and collectible build, the LEGO Star Wars, Ahsoka Chopper, C1-10P, Astromech Droid Set. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price available. Package emoji, first impressions and build. Right out of the box, the packaging and design grab your attention. You get a detailed model of Chopper, C1-10P, one of the most iconic and mischievous astromech droids in the galaxy. It's a compact, clever build, and at over 180 pieces, it's just the right balance of challenge and fun. This is not just a kid's toy, it's a legit collector's model that older fans will appreciate too. Gear emoji, set highlights and features. Build type, model kit, display set. Piece count, 181 pieces. Age range, designed for ages 10+. Dimensions, stands approximately 4.5 inches, 11 centimeters, tall once built. Movable parts, posable arms and rotating head, adds personality and interactivity. Display stand, includes nameplate for that official collectible feel. Authenticity, based on Chopper's appearance in Star Wars, Ahsoka, excellent detailing. Brick emoji, building experience. The build process is super enjoyable. LEGO's instruction manual is clear and engaging, and each section of Chopper, from the stubby legs to the rotating head, feels rewarding to construct. It's compact enough to finish in an afternoon, yet detailed enough to look amazing on display. Great for solo building or doing it with a young Star Wars fan. Ringed planet playability and display value. While it's technically a model, Chopper's posable parts give it enough flexibility for creative play or stop-motion scenes. But honestly, it really shines as a display piece on a shelf, desk, or in your Star Wars LEGO diorama. Pair it with other Rebels characters for full effect. Present emoji, gifting potential. This set makes an awesome gift, whether for a Star Wars obsessed 10-year-old or an adult collector who loves the deeper lore of the Star Wars universe. It's budget-friendly, iconic, and filled with nostalgic charm. Memo emoji, final thoughts. The LEGO Star Wars, Ahsoka Chopper, C1-10P, set is a fantastic tribute to one of the galaxy's most beloved astromechs. Fun to build, great to display, and filled with personality, it's a great addition to any Star Wars LEGO collection. White check mark emoji, perfect for Star Wars fans, LEGO collectors, kids who love droids, and Ahsoka series followers. Cross mark emoji, not ideal for fans who want large playsets or minifig heavy kits. This is a standalone character model. Link symbol emoji, click the link below to grab your Chopper today at the best discounted price, whether for yourself or as a perfect gift.